every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Welcome to our first hotel in Georgia. We have 2 rooms. This one and bedroom. Here is my love, you can see. Key. Oh my god, they locked us. We're gonna stay here forever. Seriously, closed inside of hotel. There is no one here.
I don't understand this. How? Excuse me. There is a necessary.
Oh, you see, this one is like moving up. Oh my god, super. And this is a scary dog which was barking. Oh. Nice breakfast. Especially I like watermelon. It was very, very juicy. Once you reach Tbilisi, you have to go to Freedom Square. And from Freedom Square we will start our meeting with Old Tbilisi. From there, walk to Bridge of Peace. And on the way, you will find amazing local cafes where you will have a great breakfast and finally will try famous Georgian cuisine. We keep gaining weight, you know.
It's very hard to lose
Some
weight.
clothes already small for us.
Oh my god, monkey and parrot, can you imagine that?
Look what a company. Menus in Georgia is in English and Russian. I got this lovely pomegranate juice. It was too tasty, so I already drank half. And Cyril will try local beer.
It's nice.
Must try Hachapuri, Adjarian, Khinkali, Hachapuri, Magrelian. If you're not a fan of Georgian cuisine, by the way, I don't know anyone who doesn't like Georgian cuisine, don't worry, you can find many European options.
I even found an Indian restaurant, actually 2 of them.
Church Helen. So many types of Church Helen. And definitely where to buy souvenirs if not in old city. Also in this area you can purchase a tour to go somewhere around Georgia. I would definitely recommend to visit Kazbeki. This is a must. Oh my god, what I see! Look, look, look! Check that out. Do you see? This is a Bridge of Peace. And you do not love Georgia. It's so beautiful and so peaceful. And atmosphere is very relaxing. And prices are nice and people are very friendly. Right in the center of city you can find some lavender field. You can see a cable car, and over there is a Mother of Georgia. In the right hand there is a sword for enemies, and in left wine for friends. And you know that in Georgia they making the best wine in the world. You can see it's a very touristic place, but still it's not overcrowded here. The smell is incredible. And do you hear sounds of nature? You're in the middle of city, but you feel, you know, so connected with nature. This is amazing. Good reason to come to Tbilisi. And you can see different types of birds also flying. Very nice feeling, and that you're surrounded by mountains. Right now I feel very happy. You see this building? It was built by ex-president of Georgia, Saakashvili, but locals didn't like it much. Also, it's very expensive to maintain this building. That's why government tried to sell it 7 times, and now finally it's sold. It had to be like a building for some concerts and exhibitions.
Looks good actually.
Yeah, doesn't look not bad. And it's supposed to look like 2 cups. And That's how this building looks closer. Let's see what will be on this place next time when we visit Tbilisi. Next time we will be here, all these old buildings in center will be demolished as well. City is changing.
55.
Per person.
Yeah, do you
It's
wanna go?
I think it's like 10 minutes, right? You see that cable car over there? That's where we are going right now. Okay, so here Cyril is purchasing a card which we can use where?
Metro, minibus, and here.
You can do not buy it, you can just pay from your Visa or MasterCard.
That was easy. Next time.
And this is the end of our journey. Hello from top of Tbilisi. Soon I will show you a mother of Tbilisi. Oh, and over there you can see that building where we've been just a second ago. You will never be hungry in Georgia. This I can promise you 100%.
They're selling ice cream in waffle cones, which are cooked over fire. You see?
Yeah, and it smells like cinnamon. Here you can find several souvenir stores. Oh, they have flowers, dried flowers. Oh, this also all made with dry flowers inside. Going to check Narikala Fortress. My phone died. Let's see how long Cyril's phone will work in such a heat. It's 35 degrees. We decided to walk down. Yep, it will be a long way, but with such a wonderful view, why not? Look this, check this view. With this view I can walk for hours and hours, and I think you will feel that you're tired only once you reach home. I recommend you to take a cable car to go upstairs, and downstairs better walk. Healthier, and you will have a new experience. Better try cable car and walking together.
Always walking is fun.
This is the entrance
You have to
to
go for this.
Narikala Fortress.
Let's go inside the fortress.
And right here you can buy fresh pomegranate juice. Guys, just check how thick is this wall. That's how you should build, houses. Yeah, you have to cover your knees to enter Orthodox Church of St. Nicholas. You can see downstairs very interesting shape of roof, and actually this is a bath, but not just a regular bath. Cyril will tell you details.
This is a sulfur bath. So sulfur is a chemical that's supposed to be medicinal. So if you got skin infections or any kind of problems, it's supposed to cure you and be generally healthy for your skin.
You see the blue gate over there? This one. This is the only bath which is not underground in this area. Yeah, this is the prettiest one. And you know that Tbilisi is translated like a warm bath. Yep. So since centuries people were coming here to cure themselves. We continue our journey downstairs. Slippery over here, so better wear hiking shoes, some sneakers, because I'm with my slippers almost fall down like 10 times. Yeah, later on we will buy some nice souvenirs from Georgia. Oh my god, look at this. Socks with hinkali. With hinkali and with khachapuri. Unfortunately, my phone didn't want to work in such a heat, so it switched off. We came to this lovely place. I will show you name and menu. Prices are same like in previous cafe. I think they have pretty similar prices in this area. Like khachapuri for 15 lari. Interesting fact about Georgia. I see like frappe you can get for 12 lari. Red Bull for 9, lemonade for 10. But wine you can have even for 6. Oh, so many types of Caesar salads I have. Meat lovers would not be hungry here. Oh, such a steak for 44 lari. People ordering here a mix of different types of meat. See, there is a pork, chicken, veal lamb, fresh fries and vegetables, altogether 89 lari. And my tarhun came. Yeah, I'm very thirsty. And for sure we ordered hinkali. 140 piece. Ordered for cereal borjomi, natural mineral water. It's very, very healthy. Very big salad with nuts. And this beauty is Ajarski khachapuri. Oh, here we can see homemade cheese with yolk and butter. Cyril will show you how to eat khachapuri. Okay, and then mix everything.
Mix everything?
Yeah. So now it's ready to eat. Yeah, everything's ready. She asked us, do we want sauce with garlic or without? And this is our garlic. Yeah, this is sauce with garlic. Okay, this is our hinkali. By the way, this top you're not eating. This is like a holder.
I'm supposed to dip that in nibble and garlic? Nice.
It was a nice place. Unfortunately, cannot read this bill. Can only guess. It's a shopkeeper. Look at these fresh fruits. Check this size, huh? Like my hand. Let's check some souvenirs. This is minankari. It's handmade jewelry art. You can buy this type of jewelry only in Georgia. Magnet's price is 2-3 lari, and you can find magnet even with Stalin. Sad story. I brought few fruits, like 4 in total, and we paid 20 lari for this.
Yeah.
20 lari? Seriously?
Yeah.
Four fruits? Come on.
This was bad review time.
Yeah, no one would be buying there. Second time at least.
Yeah.
And it was not some fancy supermarket, just on the street. Yeah,
No, in supermarkets they don't overcharge you because the charges are the same.
yeah, but you want to buy, from a local people, help them.
Yeah.
And instead they just overcharge you.
Not fun.
I was not expecting this from you.
Me too.